Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the resume photo in a Canva template. So here I've already opened Canva and I've already searched for a resume templates. And you can see if you scroll down, there are lots of resume templates that you can use on Canva freely. And let's say I want to use this one, so I'm going to just click on the template and click on customize this template. So it will be open in a new page. Okay, so to change the photo, I'm going to zoom in first. You can see now the current photo used is I don't know, a random person, random people. And if you want to change it, you can just go to upload and then find your own photo in here. You can also upload if you haven't uploaded, and after that you can just click on the photo that you want to use and drag the photo into this frame like this, and just let go, and now the photo will be changed into your own photo or the photo that you chose. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.